Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to share one of my most favorite whiteboard, that is OApp. It is basically more than a whiteboard. You can do the real-time visual collaboration with this app. So I think it sounds really interesting. So let's see how it works. The first thing is you need to access to OApp. So how you can do that? Just simply write oapp.com and you'll find this interface. This is the interface of this virtual whiteboard. So as you see, if you click on the start drawing, you can start drawing here, but somehow some of the things like ads are coming here. So how you can remove these ads? Just simply you need to sign in here. I mean, if you didn't previously sign up there, just sign up there and log in. So let me log in first. As soon as I logged in here, no ads are coming again. So you see there is no ads here. So this is the interface and there are a lot of options from the left side. I will show you from the left side. So first one is the select option. Basically when I put any object there, I will show how it works. Then undo. So I will start with the pen. For example, I click on the pen. If you click on the pen, you will find pen, marker, arrow, line arrow and line. So this is the pen size. For example, my pen size will be like this, and after that, let me draw something. For example, I'm writing this. So if you want to change the color of the pen, so you'll find the color palette here. If you click on the color palette, you can choose any of the color from here, or even if you want to add some custom color, just click on the plus button. You'll find this one. So let me select any of the color from here. So now I can draw anything with that color. So this is how the pen and color palette works. And let me show another one. The marker, actually marker is like this. You can change the marker pen size as well. From here you can change the color like the same. So let me show the eraser. So there are four types of eraser here. So one is simple eraser, another is element eraser. The simple eraser is actually just, for example, I'm selecting this one and this way the simple eraser actually works. And if you click on this element eraser, it will actually erase the whole element. See the whole, if you click on this, the whole elements actually erased by this element eraser. And the scissor is actually remove a portion of your, for example, I am selecting this one, so this portion will be deleted here. And if you click on the delete, it actually clear the whole page. After scissor, there is another option, that is you'll find the rectangle here, filled rectangle, ellipse and the filled ellipse. So the stroke thickness is there as it is 1. So let me change to 3. So I'm clicking on rectangle first. So this is the rectangle, this is not filled. So if you click on the filled rectangle, it will actually fill like this. Same way the ellipse and filled ellipse works. So if you want to add some text, just click on the text and you can write, and you can draw anything or write anything here. You can change the color from here. If you click on the color, it will be changed automatically from here. If you click on the particular text, you can change the size of that text. You can change the size like this. Even you can duplicate it, or you can delete it as well. So post-it is actually the sticky note. So if you click on the post-its, for example, this will be the sticky note, like this will be given by them. So you can duplicate it, even you can change the color as well. Just simply you can color it. You can take as much sticky note as you can by like this way. You can change the color as well like this. Now the select option, basically select option, you can select any of the particular element and you can change the element's position by clicking on the select. There is another option, like if you see the plus button, if you click there, you'll find some more options like image, PDF and PPT. So this is one of the important thing. If you can upload any image, for example, if you click here, you can upload any image from your PC. So you can place it like this way. You can change the size like this, and if you want to place it here, you can place it like the same way. You can upload the PDF and PPT here by this way. So if you click on the PDF, you can upload any PDF from your PC. So the PDF has been uploaded here. So these are the options here, actually make your virtual classroom more interesting. Now let me come to the upper side. So let me come to the upper side. If you click here, you can save the board. If you click on the save the board, it actually want one name, for example demo. Let me save this like demo, so it will be saved on like this. Then you'll find more option. You can duplicate this whole board, you can even delete it, you can rename the board, you can open a save board. If you previously created more boards there, if you click here, you'll find some more boards I have previously used or created, so you can use any of the board from here. Now one of the most important and great thing is template. There are a lot of templates are here. For example, if you click on any of the template, so let me click on this one and then click on load board. So this board will be loaded here and you can work on it. You can work from the template collaboratively as well. So now export boards, you can export the whole board as PDF or even as image as well. So then add people. If you click on add people, so now you can see these options are here. So if you want to share this board with your participant, just click on this link and send to them through email or any of the platforms you are using. So make sure if you want to give them this board's edit access, then click on this way, allow everyone to edit. As soon as you send this link and the participant join, they can edit the same board. So if you don't want to give them the edit access, click on the allow everyone to view or even share a copy with each user as well. Then again, you can invite your participant through email. If you put their email there, you can send the invitation from this platform as well. You can even if you want to embed this whole board in your website or anywhere, you just embed this. You just need to copy this and paste it to view this board in your site or website as well. So this way you can collaborate real time through this platform as well. So here. So in the right side there are some more options. There is a chatting option. You can chat with your participant through this chatting bar here. So this one is the pointer bar option. So you can, if you click on this, so it shows that you are now sharing your pointer position with everyone in this board. So if you don't want to show them that, just click on this, so you will stop sharing that. So before showing this one, let me show this one. This is actually the zooming option. You can zoom in or zoom out by this way. So this, if you click this one will make your board full screen. So by this way you can, if you click on the exit, you can even back to the previous stage as well. This will work the same like the select option. If you click there, you can change the position of any element like this. If you click this one, it will actually make your board in a proper shape. So for example, if you zoom in and if you click this way, it will back to the previous shape as well. So this way, these options are work. And if you want to learn more about OAuth, you can just click more there and you can learn more about OAuth from here. This is amazing platform by which you can collaboratively work with your peers or participants or your students as well. So I hope you enjoyed this and you will use this platform in the upcoming days for your virtual whiteboard as well. I will be back to you with more videos. Subscribe today to inspire me to upload more videos for you. Thank you very much.